Okay, we're drawing the winning agent card for the Tony Abadi Ross Mortgage gift card. It's a very exciting time. Here we go. Tony, do the honors.
Draw, huh? Okay.
Pick a good one.
Pick a good one here.
I know.
Yeah. Peter Zonai.
Peter!
Well,
All right.
Okay, so keep this out.
No, yeah,
Give
that's
back to
good.
Peter, so
Give it
he
back
can use
to
it
him.
again.
Yeah, give it back to Peter. Just give him the gift card. How about that?
Yeah, just give me a gift card. You can do whatever you want with that.
All right, so here we go. Now we got two more
Thank you,
drawings.
sir. Thank you.
I would just like to make note that Nancy Lentini and Laura Meads from our insurance agents here in the office donated 2 gift cards for our agents.
Yeah, that's nice.
So we really appreciate them. Tony, you want to do the honors?
Okay, sure.
We got gift card number 1.
Okay, let's see here.
Not me again.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
Rebecca Orbeck.
Rebecca Orbeck, yay! From the Clinton office. Oh, she's a new agent.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, I'll take
I
that
think
card.
that's the one that was the new one.
I'll take that card. That goes here. She's going to get that gift
Well,
card.
lose, you lose, right? Sorry, Rebecca.
And
Okay.
we got another gift card from our insurance
Deep in the
gal.
bottom.
Renee,
Angela Renee.
Angela.
I'm happy for
Yay.
Angela. I was just saying, I hope Angela
Yeah,
wins.
there you
Let me see that card. There you go. That goes
She
there.
must have left. She was here.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank
Thank you to everybody who came out today to
Candy
celebrate the Shelby offices Agent Customer Appreciation Open House today. Signing off.
Bye-bye.
Bye.